The Spotlight on Life Insurance is sponsored by Creative Marketing, making a difference in your business. For more information, please visit creativemarketing.net. When addressing ways to reduce systemic risk, insurers worldwide are asking the Group of 20 to distinguish them from banks. The request was made by trade groups representing life and property casualty insurers in a letter to the U.S. Treasury Department. The group sent the letter before the G20 meeting begins on November 11th in Seoul, Korea. Insurers say a distinction between the insurance industry and banking industry is necessary, since the insurance industry has a different risk profile. The group contends that insurers have fared relatively well during the financial crisis, unlike other financial sectors. Quote, "This is evidence that the insurance regulatory framework, which is aimed at an adequate level of policyholder protection, works well in most jurisdictions," the letter said. In addition, insurers say that additional capital and reporting requirements could, rather than reducing systemic risk, increase the risk of moral hazard and cause market distortions. G20 meeting organizers plan to identify ways the wealthiest and largest economies can work together to improve financial system regulation. A large percentage of Americans are unaware of the number of benefits that life insurance policies can provide, according to Penn Mutual Life Insurance Company's Worth Survey for Women. The study found that 79% of women and 70% of men considered a steady stream of income as important during retirement, yet only 39% of women and 50% of men were aware that life insurance could provide it. Meanwhile, 70% of women and 64% of men believed it was important to have access to quick cash, but only 41% of women and 49% of men were aware that permanent cash value life insurance could provide such a benefit. Meanwhile, women average only about half the life insurance coverage that men do, the study found. The median individual coverage amount for women was $96,000 compared to $189,000 for men. Additionally, just 17% of women said they felt confident about retirement compared with 28% of men. Women also reported feeling less organized and less in control than men. 22% of women feel overwhelmed and are also more likely than men to believe their standard of living during retirement will be less than today. According to Tracy Morocco, Director of Women's Marketing for the Penn Mutual Life Insurance Company, quote, "Despite all the advances women have made in the marketplace, it is disheartening to learn that women still feel behind when it comes to planning for retirement or other financial goals, and they're literally missing out on many important benefits by undervaluing themselves," unquote. The number of policyholders settling life insurance policies will affect some insurers and reinsurers, according to a recent report by Conning Research and Consulting. While life settlement companies have purchased fewer policies recently and overall volume has declined, many previously purchased policies are universal life policies with large face amounts, analysts said. According to the report, quote, "Our analysis of the targeted firm's universal life experience indicates that we may well see a significant impact to either primary insurers or to reinsurers to the extent that the primaries have been able to reinsure the higher face amount policies," unquote. Existing settlement policies could translate to a significant rise in the average amount paid per death claim, while lapse rates for high-value universal life policies could end up being lower than expected as life settlement companies paid to keep settled policies in force. For more industry spotlights, visit producersweb.com.